So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to make text hollow here on Canva using the Canva desktop version. So once Canva is opened up for this example here, I'll actually just make the background sort of like a grayish color so it's a little bit easier for you guys to see. I'm then going to add some text to my design right here where it says add a heading, just like that. I will go ahead and make this a little bit larger. So here's my text right here. If you want to make it hollow, it's very simple, very straightforward. I press on the text right here. I go to the top right and press on the effects button. Then go to the left-hand side where it says a hollow right here. Press on that, and as you can tell, it actually gets rid of all a majority of the text and just has the same color outline of your text as the outside. So you can make this thicker or thinner. You can also go to the top here and change the color if you want. So if you want to make it perhaps like a light blue, you can do that. You can make it pink, whatever the case may be. You can also go to the color wheel right here and select a color of your choosing. But pretty self-explanatory. That is how you guys can make text hollow here on Canva using Canva Desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.